The Unreal Engine is a game engine developed by Epic Games and was first showcased in 1998. It was initially developed for first-person shooter games, but has since been adapted to fit a plethora of other purposes and has been developed constantly over the past 20 years. Adding to an already powerful game engine, Epic Games have announced their new MetaHuman creator, a cloud-streamed app for creating high-fidelity human models in real time. The aim of the MetaHuman creator was to take the weeks or even months spent creating lifelike human models down to less than an hour. The software works by drawing from an ever-growing library of human appearance and motion, enabling animators to create convincing new characters through intuitive workflows. The level of customization is almost overwhelming, with everything from lip protrusion and eye distance to broken capillaries and individual bristles of stubble. To demonstrate this, Epic Games have released 2 sample characters prior to the official launch later this year.
I am a MetaHuman, the next generation of digital human powered by Unreal Engine. MetaHumans are high-fidelity digital characters created by you, the user, on our new content creation platform, MetaHuman Creator. I am fully rigged, ready for animation and motion capture, allowing you to work in context. With everything running live in Unreal Engine, my motion works seamlessly
on other characters. I have 8 levels of detail and have been tested on a wide range of hardware platforms, from feature film to mobile.
Even though this software is leaps and bounds more user-friendly than typical 3D content creation practices, it cannot achieve the same photorealism seen in projects like This Person Does Not Exist, which uses AI in the form of generative adversarial networks to digitally render photographs of fake people. Which presents the question, how lifelike do animations really need to be? And will the MetaHumans creator be able to escape the uncanny valley? The MetaHuman creator opens up a whole new world for animators of games, films, and art. Coupled with the Unreal Engine's open platform, this really will enable creators to unlock the graphical potential seen only by larger game studios, possibly changing how we make computer-generated characters forever.
This is just a glimpse of things to come.